The only way to achieve the impossible is to believe it is possible. When your motives are sincere, it's not you who loses anyone, rather it's others who lose you. Don't be pushed around by the fears in your mind. Be led by the dreams in your heart. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence is not an act, but a habit. Spend time with people who teach you, inspire you, and help you grow. Sacrificing long-term joy for short-term pleasure is the easiest recipe for regret. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. The more you praise and celebrate your life, the more there is, in life to celebrate. Never tolerate disrespect, not even from yourself. Challenges are what make life interesting, and overcoming them is what makes life meaningful. A painful truth is always better than a hidden lie. Courage doesn't always roar. Something courage is the quiet voice at the end of the saying "I will try again tomorrow." Believe it or not, people fall in love with the person who is not afraid to leave them. Trusting blindly often leads to betrayal. Never respond to rudeness. When people are rude to you, they reveal who they are, not who you are. Don't take it personally. Be silent. The purpose of life is not to be happy. It is to be useful, to be honorable, to be compassionate, to have it make some difference that you have lived and lived well. A woman who loves to be at the doorsteps of others is a thief in waiting. He who eats alone cannot discuss the taste of the food with others. A man who cannot tolerate small misfortune can never accomplish great things. Do not trust the person who praises you all the time. If the full moon loves you, why worry about the stars? To love someone who does not love you is like shaking a tree and making the dewdrops fall. Love is like a body, it needs to be treated gently. When the deal is too good, think twice.